Hello everyone and welcome to our tour of a standard view room at Disney's Yacht Club Resort. Now, Disney's Yacht Club Resort is a sister resort to Disney's Beach Club Resort, and they both share several amenities including the famous Stormalong Bay pool and are located in the Epcot Resorts area. You might notice a few nautical themed touches to this room, so keep a keen eye out for some of those smaller details. Upon entering the room, you're immediately greeted by a small coffee nook, and the mini fridge or cooler is directly underneath, hidden away by a wooden cabinet door. Directly beside of that, you'll find a wooden wardrobe, and that's where you'll most likely want to store all of your luggage and items you've brought along with you. And you'll open that to reveal both sides actually open up and have ample space, and it's pretty sizable too, for all of your storage, complete with lighting on both sides, hangers, a full-size mirror on the inside of one of those doors, and several shelving units. Now, Disney's really made great efforts to give plenty of shelving for things you brought along here for your stay, and they've made no exception with this particular part of the room to make certain that you have a nice even flow throughout and able to get through the room very quickly and easily. The opposite side of the entryway hosts the entrance to the double seat vanity. They've also included some gorgeous ample lighting, cosmetics mirror, a full-size hair dryer, a few towel holders, and complimentary toiletries from their H2O line of products. There's actually a pocket door that separates the vanity area from the bathroom, and that button just under the latching system allows it to pop open, be slid backwards and forwards, and be popped back into place for your convenience. This bathroom includes a toilet and shower tub combo with beautiful neutral toned walls and tile work to give you a full land and sea feel to your room. Towel hangers for your used items. There's a clothesline inside of the shower for your wet swimsuits after a dip in the pool. And this particular shower does come with 2 separate shower heads, which really makes it convenient when you're traveling with little ones that might have a harder time reaching that water. Heading out of the bathroom back into the main living space, you'll find a full dresser and flat screen TV above. Don't worry, there are both outlets and USB ports on each side for charging. The 2 queen size beds are a platform, and they are joined with a nightstand in between. And on the opposite side of one of those beds, there's a small corner shelf with USB charging ports above for your convenience. The sofa also converts into a bed, which makes it a great option for larger parties. And I hope you happen to take notice of those stars and constellations in those curtains. The circular mirror above the table and chair invokes a spirit of sailing the open ocean for seafaring travelers. Now, this gigantic balcony is the perfect place to take in that late night sunset after the parks, or begin to start out your day's adventures watching the morning sunrise over this amazing resort and its gorgeous grounds. Our agents absolutely love staying here, and we hope that you'll consider it for your next stay as well. To learn more about this or other destinations, contact your favorite Treadway Travel Company agent today.